Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the sensitive content warning on X, formerly known as Twitter, so you can view posts without constantly seeing the warning message. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Safari, Google Chrome, or any browser you prefer. The reason we're using a browser is because the X mobile app doesn't let you change this setting. Now, go to x.com and sign into your X account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, tap your profile picture in the top left corner. From the menu, tap Settings and Privacy. Next, tap Privacy and Safety. Then, select Content you see. Here, make sure the option Display Media that may contain sensitive content is turned on. After that, tap Search Settings. Now, make sure Hide Sensitive Content is turned off. Your changes will be saved automatically. Finally, close the browser, reopen the X app on your iPhone or Android device, and you should now be able to view sensitive posts without seeing the warning message every time. And that's it.